Guardian Girl is an ingratiating prolific story told in the muse of music that's been mastered in an electro-fusion of 10 tracks. It is cool, calm, and reflective while at the same time being exciting, enlightening and exhilarating. Lofton sees his new tunes to be relaxed, to be laid back with an uncomplicated beat that's interwoven with precocious electronic vocals that are polished with a veneer of clear orchestration which produces an ongoing jam session. It's both safe and risky, which leads you into the dichotomy of a world swarming with comfortable material that risks it all, because such artists seldom take you to such a precipice where you dive into both the old and new. It's a brave adventure into electronic harmonies, captivating Martin steel guitars and electric keyboards that provide for a smooth groove. For the fun of it, Lofton adds in a smidgen of his own vocals with those electronically mixed which take you to a place that's safe from the wraith while exposing you to the unexpected.